Here's one of our freeform wrapping texture ring 3D models with a star insert. This is a downloadable 3D model that is used for 3D printing. Buying already made models and either printing them yourself or having a local store print and finish the pieces is a great way to save a bunch of money. The top plate, the shank, and the insert are all individual pieces and can be adjusted in most 3D programs. This also means the star insert can be removed and any insert you'd like to add can be used instead. Here's a sample of what the model looks like without the insert. The current model is set to a US size 7, but like all our models, they can easily be adjusted if needed. If you're ever curious of how this is done in software, feel free to check out our video on how to use programs such as Blender or ZBrush. The download file contains the STL files and the OBJ files that are ready for supports to be added and then can go straight to printing. To download the model, visit our site or use any of our third-party stores. Links are always posted in the description. For anything else, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help, and thanks for watching.